For our crock pot barbecue pulled chicken, we're going to need a whole bottle of your favorite barbecue sauce. I think this is Sweet Baby Ray's sugar-free. About a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. I used Bragg's. Go ahead and pour that into the bottle and give it a good shake so you can get all the barbecue sauce out of there. Toss that into your crock pot. Then you're going to want to put about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, onion powder, and garlic powder or garlic salt. That's to taste. I added pink Himalayan salt and black pepper. Give it a good stir and set that aside. Then you want to take 3 to 4 chicken breasts. I think it's about 2 pounds. Go ahead and clean and trim those really well. And you can put those in the crock pot. I added 4 this time around. I did 3 last time. It gives you a little bit more barbecue sauce. This one was a little less liquidy. And then I make little slices in the chicken, just kind of help penetrate as it cooks. Give it a good stir. Go ahead and put the lid on the crock pot and set it to high for about 3 hours or so, and low for 4 to 6 if you wanted to do that. Get jiggy with it while you're waiting. Okay, go ahead and remove the lid. I unplug it. And with you can use 2 forks. I've even heard that you can use your beaters. I haven't tried that, but sounds pretty cool. And pull that chicken. Pull that chicken. And then if you're going to make the coleslaw, the ingredients that I used are Best Foods mayo. I used about, I don't know, maybe 3/4 of a cup of that. It's just relative to the amount of coleslaw that you want to make. I added white wine vinegar to thin it out a little bit and just give it that dressing consistency. And a little more. And once it's to the consistency that you want to add granulated sugar. I highly suggest that you avoid Great Value brand because whatever that is, it's not sugar. And mix that to taste. And then you add in your coleslaw. I had bagged. Give it a good mix. Okay, and for the buns, they were from Walmart. They were market side brioche buns. They're pretty good. I think they're the best I've tried. They're hot dog buns. And you just grab some of the chicken, fill your buns with the chicken. I heat those in the microwave beforehand also, just to soften them up. Or you can toast them. That works too. That way they don't get soggy. And add coleslaw. Also, I didn't have them this time, but if you add in Famous Dave's pickle chips, the spicy pickle chips, oh, it's perfect. And there we go. Crock-pot barbecue pulled chicken. And I got asked for seconds. So there's seconds. Screw using a regular plate. We're doing paper. Thank you for watching.